Assembly of gas leakage alert project. Components required: NodeMCU, gas sensor, voltage regulator, IC7805, battery 9V, battery snapper, USB cable and a breadboard. First of all, we will place the voltage regulator on the breadboard and connect the positive wire of the battery snapper to the V-in pin. And the negative wire to the ground pin. Then we will take the MQ2 gas sensor. This gas sensor has 4 pins. This is the analog pin, this is the digital pin, this is the ground pin, and the last is the VCC. So we have the analog, digital, ground and VCC. So we will connect the analog of the gas sensor to the pin A0 of the NodeMCU. First, place the MQTT on the breadboard. Connect the A0 pin to the A0 of the NodeMCU. Then connect the ground pin to the ground pin of the NodeMCU. Now connect the positive to the 3V pin of the NodeMCU. Now connect the Vout pin of the voltage regulator to the V-in pin of the NodeMCU. And the ground pin of the voltage regulator to the ground pin of the NodeMCU. So we have connected the ground pin to the ground pin of the NodeMCU. In this way we can power the NodeMCU with the help of the battery. But if we don't want to use the battery, then we can remove this connection and then we don't require this part. You can use the USB cable and directly connect the cable to the port of the NodeMCU and connect it to the laptop. So your NodeMCU need to be connected to the laptop for the entire project. Thank you.
Doing the hardware connection of the gas leakage, we will do the Blynk configuration. So for that we have to go to the Blynk dashboard, and here we have to click on the new template, give the name as Gas Leakage Alert, select the hardware as ESP8266, connection type is Wi-Fi, and then click on Done. Once it is done, now click on data stream, click on new data stream, select the virtual pin, give the name as Gas Leakage, anything you can give, select the virtual pin, data type is integer. We are selecting the virtual pin as V2 here. You can select anything. The maximum value we are giving here is 255, and then click on create. So our data stream is created. Now go to the web dashboard. From the widget box, select the gauge, drag it to the dashboard, click on the setting option, select the data stream, and then click on save. Now we will go to the events and notifications, because in this project, whenever the gas leakage exceeds the threshold, it has to send us a notification in our mobile. So for that we will create an event. So click on create event, then click on custom, enter the name, suppose like gas leakage. So we will get the event code here, which we will be requiring during our code, and then we can give the description like gas leakage is high or anything you can, and give it as a value. You click on notification, click on enable notification, select push notification to device owner. You can also select the mail, then it will also send you the mail. Then click on enable notification, deliver push notification as alert, enable all this, and then click on settings, and here set the limit that every one message will be triggered the event will be sent to the user only once per 1 minute. So it will send message after every 1 minute, shown in notification event section. So in the device page, so enable this one also if you want to, and you can also enable this home screen if you want to. Then click on create. So your event is also created. So our template is completed. Now you can click on save. So once it is done, we have to add a device. So click on devices, click on new device, from template, choose the template as gas leakage, and then click on create. So your device is created. You got the template ID, template name, and auth token. So copy it to the clipboard. Now when you click on device, you can see our device is showing here. So this is done. Now we will do the mobile configuration and then the coding.
Blynk mobile configuration for gas leakage. Open the Blynk app. As you can see, the gas leakage template is there. Click on the template, click on the setting, click on the plus symbol, and then select gauge. Then click on the gauge, choose the data stream, and you can see that the gauge is displayed on the template. Now we can see the value here on the mobile application. Thank you.
So this is the code for the gas leakage. So here first we have added the Blynk template ID and the template name, and then we have included the libraries. The ESP8266 Wi-Fi library will connect the NodeMCU to the Wi-Fi, and the Blynk library will connect the NodeMCU board to the Blynk platform. Then we have given the token, the Wi-Fi, and the password. Here we have created a variable name as MQ2, and we have assigned it for analog pin A0. So the smoke sensor data will be collected in this pin A0. Then in the void setup, we have started the serial monitor at 9600 baud rate. We have also written blynk.begin to connect the NodeMCU to the Blynk server. Then in the void loop, the in data equal to analog read MQ2 will read the gas level value. We are giving an if-else condition that if the data is greater than 200, that means when the smoke will be more, the value will be more. So when the smoke exceeds the certain limit, then blynk.log event. So it will trigger the Blynk event, and the notification will be sent in our phone. And the blynk.virtual write v2, data. This will send the sensor value to the virtual pin v2 in the Blynk app or the Blynk website. Here we have given a delay of 2 seconds for stability, and then we have given blynk.run. It will keep the NodeMCU connected to the Blynk server. So that is all about the code. After the coding is done, we will click on tools. From the board, we will select the ESP8266 board, and under there we will select the NodeMCU 1.0 or NodeMCU 0.9 board, and then select the required code, and then we will click on upload button. Our code will be uploaded to the NodeMCU.
Of gas leakage. So first of all, we will open the Blynk app, open the template. Now we will apply some heat to the gas sensor, and our value will increase. As we can see, when I applied heat, the temperature increase, and I am getting a notification here as gas leakage. Similarly, we can see the value on the Blynk screen.